Welcome to today's video where we dive into the EVAL Opcode in IBM RPGLE. The EVAL Opcode is a powerful tool used for evaluating expressions in RPG programming. Let's explore how it works with practical examples. Let's break down what's happening here. First, eval evaluates the condition IN45 as the end of file, that is EOF condition for file EMPHDR. Second, assigns the value 2024 to YY. Third, calculates upcounter as the sum of pages i's, lstrrn, and 1. Now, it sets the first element of the array ARR to YY. Then, it constructs myFile1 and myFile2 as library file pairs using string concatenation. Lastly, constructs a SQL statement by concatenating multiple strings. The eval opcode in RPG allows us to dynamically evaluate expressions and manipulate data efficiently. Whether it's assigning values, performing calculations, or building complex strings like SQL statements, eval gives programmers the flexibility they need. That wraps up our exploration of the eval opcode in IBM. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding its usage and power within RPG programming. Thank you for watching our tutorial on eval opcode in IBM RPGLE by Programmers.io. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Stay tuned for more tutorials and explanations.